Okay, so in this video I will predict the next move for Bitcoin, and if that move happened, this will prove that ICT really work on crypto. So the next move for Bitcoin based on ICT strategy is that it will come down towards 16710, and then it will pump towards 17.4. okay, so now I will wait for Bitcoin next move, and then I will make the second part of this video. Okay, so one day has passed between the part first of this video and now this part. See, I told you it will come back to this 10k region, like 16,710, and it came back and now it's pumping. Like, people will say it's a scam, it just went down and quickly went up just to liquidate people. But if you know your levels, it can't trick you. See, it went up, it came back to that fair value gap, and now it will pump towards that 17.4k region. Okay, I will take my profits at 17,350. So if you are serious about trading and want to know how I predicted this move, you can watch my previous video. I have already explained the structure, but still, if you are confused in that and want me to make another video, I will quickly make another video and draw the structure for you, so you can note it down in your notebook and it will help you in the future. Because these moves happen the same way every time, like time to time these moves happen, and you will be shocked to see that these have happened before. So if you want me to make a video, let me know in the comments.